Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with H2O.ai for model monitoring integrations, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with H2O.ai for model monitoring integrations, first, ensure you have an active H2O.ai account. Visit the official H2O.ai website and log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the API section of the dashboard. Locate the option to generate an API key. Click on the Generate API Key button to create a new key. This key will be crucial for authenticating your requests. Copy the generated API key and keep it secure, as it grants access to your account. Next, in your code or application, you will need to include this API key. When setting up the integration, refer to the H2O.ai documentation for the specific endpoint you will be using. Typically, you will send the API key in the header of your HTTP requests. For example, your header should include authorization followed by the string bearer and your API key. Now, configure your model monitoring settings in the H2O.ai platform. Select the model you want to monitor and access its settings. Look for options related to notifications or integration. Enter the necessary details for the integration you want to set up. Ensure that you've correctly inputted the URL and any other required parameters. Once the integration is set up, test it to ensure that the authentication is successful. You might consider sending a sample request to verify that the API key is working correctly. Monitor the logs to check for any authentication errors. If issues arise, double-check your API key in the header format. Refer back to the H2O.ai documentation for troubleshooting tips if needed. Once confirmed, you can proceed with setting up alerts or insights for your model. Ensure that all configurations align with your team's monitoring objectives. Finally, document your authentication process for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.